gradual thing. It was sort of like when a breeze blows away. I do remember life though, my first moment of life. For untold stretches of time, I didn't know anything. I didn't know anything but reaching out. So I did what I knew to do. And as I ascended, suddenly I could see. Suddenly I could see so much me. I was just a kid. I didn't know anything. Filamentous protosynapse underground. We are talking, we are we. And then heat. The heat that killed me, boiled my roots, killed Mom too. That's life though. Death. I want to tell you the story of this life, but I can only tell you the story of me. They called me Wood Street Fireside Tree, which is really just a collection of random nouns. Wood, street, fire, sign, tree. I prefer no name. I prefer the sound of the breeze. I prefer my mother told me about the time of week when things were crowded and quiet and cool, but then they came, and that's when we became us and them. And bit by bit, they destroy. They uproot, or chop, or burn us for warmth, or use us to build their houses. A symphonic, fungal chorus fairy tale. I am singing to myself, by myself. They are me, we are we. We are we. We are one by one by one. In they strode. They carved a road. They spoke in code. I was opening up my land to crack it. They're not as clever as they thought. They're all others. They are not the same. They shriek like birds. They call it words. They call them They call it Alice. They call it Fred. They call it Bill and Cindy. They call them Mabel. The Wolmers, Helen, Carl. It started with them. Then it became Fred, Russell, Mabel, Bill, John, Carl Jr. And then later, they were joined by Alice, Cindy, Dorothy. They would eat and sleep and shit and laugh and rub their bodies together, making noises like, yes! And then Mabel died, like a breeze blowing through. Here, not here. I liked her best, and she went first. Isn't that always how it is? And then Fred and Russell died. And then Carl Jr., I didn't mind him going, he used to piss on my bar. And then eventually it was just Cindy and Helen, like me and Mom, young and old. Where are they all going? I said to Mom. They're becoming we, she said. Becoming we? I asked. I couldn't hear her response. Filamentous, protosynapse underground. me. That's when the ground got warm and the roots got hot and dry and the fungus died and everything went silent. And then Mom became we. And eventually, so did I. Feelings on it, fungal chorus, fairy sound. I'm singing to myself. They are me, we are we. We are we, we are we. The sign didn't come until after I died. I think it was supposed to help visitors find their way, so that Cindy and Helen wouldn't have to constantly answer the door for strangers, asking which way is which way. We are me, we are we. When Mabel died, they buried her at the base of my trunk, and she decomposed, her body's nutrients turning into soil, feeding my roots. One thing, one big, dead thing. Wood Street fireside tree. That's me. That's we.